One eternity later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from InkHeartsUK Industries. In today's video, we're going to replace the fuel pump. Started leaking fuel through the breather. I was running like that for a little bit and all of a sudden just cut out and there's no fuel. It didn't work at all. And we're gonna slice open the old one. So stick around and have a look what went wrong inside the fuel pump. This is the old one, the broken one. I ordered this bad boy, and to be fair, it looks identical. It looks the same rod, the same size, everything. We got the line from the tank, the line for the carburetor, and there's one line which is, this goes back into the fuel tank. As you can see, there's no return line on this pump. Apparently, if you haven't got a return line, the fuel, as it keeps pumping and pumping, which can cause...
Vapor lock happens when the fuel in your fuel lines vaporizes, turning from a liquid to a gas. In other words, your fuel has boiled. When your fuel lines are full of vaporized fuel, the pump can't get liquid fuel to the carburetor, which makes starting your vehicle difficult or impossible.
So I thought I can sort this out if the way to the carburetor, put a Y split in there and go back to the tank. Luckily, I found one online. This one. We're gonna fit this one. I'm gonna keep this one as a spare. I'm gonna cut this open and see what went wrong inside. The only trick what I had to do is remove the first spark plug and turn the engine by hand until the piston is on the highest position. So that way the fuel pump rod was all the way up and it was nice and easy to get it out. 3 bolts holding in place. I'm gonna use proper gasket, plus I got this Loctite flange sealant which stays soft. Have to make sure we got a good seal. But first, what I have to do, get down there and clean off as much as possible from the surface. That's all the old sealant what they used before. To remove the old sealant, I'm gonna use a ordinary chisel. Not too hard, don't wanna scratch the surface really, but get rid of the old sealant as best as we can. Alright, this is the old fuel line. So just for testing, I'm gonna use this fuel line.
We spared no expense.
That means the pump's working. We can connect it up. But that's what we were looking for. So now alright, yeah. One thing I forgot to do. So that's going to be the return line. Start again.
A few moments later.
She's alive again.
I'm gonna make a cut along the joint and separate the top from the bottom. So you can clearly see that's went wrong. The rubber is perished. So it started to leak through the breather. The rod goes up and down, and that's the way it's moving the rubber, and this is how it pumps the fuel into the carburetor. Right, that was it for today, guys. Please check out the other videos. Thank you very much. See you next time.